Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get the Kodak turned on here and aimed at the Siren. It's going off in just a minute here, folks. Alright, Kodak is aimed. Alright guys, so this is a close-up here, actually very close up here, of the old Fedelcode Model 5 going off at 12. So we're going to be right on schedule today. Alright, Fedelcode Model 5A, single tone 3-phase. Alright guys, turn up. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that right there. Here's the Kodak view. So anyway guys, that was a great recording as always. We're gonna try to get the Kodak footage uploaded soon. Yeah guys. So anyway, thanks for watching.